Hi, welcome to Neural Splendor. We just got done talking about the DEF unit pump. We're going to take a look at the second type of DEF pump, which is the UL2 pump. The UL2 has what I call a smart DEF injector. The UL2 pump supplies just a steady stream of DEF fluid. It can run in two directions when it's pumping, and then it just reverses to pull everything back into the DEF tank, whereas the other pump had a separate line for return. The UL2 pump supplies pressure to the DEF injector, which actually has a software package and logic built into it, and I'll show you a picture of both of those. So let's take a quick look at the UL2 DEF system. This is the UL2 pump. It's about 12 inches tall. The bottom part of the pump on the right, there's a filter in there, so that unscrews. And then the filter is a cartridge that you would replace at the service interval. On the top left is the boss for the electrical connector that connects. There's two fittings on each side of the pump that the DEF lines snap on. And this pump maintains about 124 to 128 psi to the injector. The pump's part number is 5506956RX as of the making of this video. This is the UL2 system DEF injector. It actually has a smart module on top of it. It's got a pintle valve in it that oscillates, and it has a constant pressure of whatever the pump's supplying, approximately 124 psi. It does have a heater built into it also. It's got a heating circuit. The ECM controls it. The mounting gasket, there's a couple different styles. That's one style below. It depends on the pipe that it gets mounted on. The injector does have software in it, but at this time it's not something that you update. It's semi-smart, so it does communicate with the ECM, and their fault codes can be logged on the injector itself. They seem to be very trouble-free so far. The part number of this injector is 5578983RX as of the making of this video. The injector has two lines on it, one for DEF in, one for DEF out. So this system is a constant pressure, low flow system. And then at shutdown, the pump can pull the fluid back out of that. Because remember, the pump has two lines going out to the injector, and then it has two lines going to the tank, a suction and a return. Thanks for joining me on Neural Splendor.